What happens when two of rock's biggest legends lock horns? For John Lennon and Mick Jagger, the rivalry was as personal as it was musical, and Lennon believed he knew exactly why. For years, Lennon was convinced that the Rolling Stones had a habit of shadowing the Beatles' every move. Even after the Fab Four split, he didn't shy away from saying so. In interviews, Lennon mixed the occasional nod of approval, admitting he liked tracks like Honky Tonk Women, with biting criticism. He bristled at comments Jagger made about the Beatles, claiming the Stones routinely repackaged Beatles innovations and released them just months later. Their relationship began on polite terms, especially after Lennon met Stones manager Alan Klein. But things soured quickly. Speaking to Rolling Stone magazine's Jan Wenner in 1970, Lennon mocked Jagger's stage presence as ridiculous yet still fun to watch, while making it clear their personal interactions were distant. He suspected jealousy played a part and said he'd always spoken respectfully about the Stones, until Jagger crossed the line with his remarks. Lennon didn't hold back when listing examples of alleged imitation. Their Satanic Majesty's request, echoing Sgt. Pepper's, "We love you, mirroring all you need is love," and even business moves reminiscent of Apple Corps. He also reminded people that the Beatles had penned one of the Stones' early hits. While Lennon conceded the Stones had their own funky style, once they broke free of imitation, he insisted they were never in the same league musically or in influence. As for Jagger's suggestion that Lennon's peace campaigns were profit-driven, Lennon flatly denied it, stressing they brought no financial gain. For him, the feud wasn't just about music. It was about respect, pride, and the belief that the Stones could never quite escape the Beatles' shadow.